The distinctive and practical self-defense system known as 52 blocks has its roots deeply embedded in the African American community, boasting a rich history and profound cultural significance. This martial art, often celebrated for its unique approach to personal protection, merges traditional fighting techniques with streetwise adaptability. This comprehensive guide aims to explore the top 10 aspects of 52 blocks, showcasing its effectiveness and versatility and highlighting why it stands as a premier choice for self-defense enthusiasts aiming to bolster their protection strategies and combat skills. Number 1. Origins and History. 52 blocks, also recognized as Jailhouse Rock, has roots that trace back to the urban and prison landscapes of the United States. This fighting style is a composite of various traditional martial arts, boxing techniques, and elements derived from street fighting, adapted over many generations by primarily African American inmates. Its name is thought to originate from the notion of having a vast arsenal, 52 different defensive and offensive techniques, to draw from, which could metaphorically block any attack. Number 2. Core techniques. The essence of 52 blocks lies in its diverse array of movements. Among these, the skull and crossbones is notable, a defensive posture that shields the head and upper body, crucial for deflecting blows in close combat. Another signature move, the bicycle, involves quick shuffle-like steps that mimic pedaling. This not only aids in maintaining balance, but also confuses opponents, making it difficult for them to predict and land attacks. Number 3. Training and adaptability. Training in 52 blocks goes beyond the physical. It involves mental preparation and a focus on situational awareness, crucial for adapting to various environments. This makes the martial art particularly effective in real-world self-defense situations, where conditions are unpredictable and safety is paramount. Practitioners learn to assess their surroundings quickly, use them to their advantage, and adapt their techniques on the fly. Number 4. Philosophy and mindset. 52 blocks is underpinned by a philosophy that stresses the mental over the physical. It encourages fighters to outthink their opponents and use their intellect as much as their strength. Practitioners are taught to anticipate moves, think several steps ahead, and strategically use their environment, whether it means taking advantage of shadows, obstacles, or unexpected elements in a fight. Number 5. Defensive skills. What sets 52 blocks apart is its emphasis on defense. The style incorporates a wide variety of blocks and parries, some of which are unique to the art form. These techniques are designed to neutralize threats from punches, kicks, and other strikes, making them especially useful against surprise attacks and multiple assailants, a common scenario in street confrontations. Number 6. Footwork and mobility. In 52 blocks, mobility is key. The style promotes a dynamic approach to movement, with practitioners using agile, dance-like steps that allow for quick shifts in position and direction. This agility enables fighters to evade attacks with fluidity and respond with counterattacks from angles that are less predictable, keeping their opponents off balance. Number 7. Integration with other martial arts. 52 blocks is not just a standalone system, it's also complementary to other martial arts. Many practitioners integrate techniques from boxing, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, karate, or wrestling, creating a hybrid approach that enhances effectiveness in varied combat situations. This integration broadens a fighter's skill set and allows for a more versatile defense strategy. Number 8. Cultural impact. The cultural impact of 52 blocks is significant. It stands as a testament to the creativity and resilience of African American communities, particularly those within the penal system, where it is said to have originated. As a part of cultural heritage, 52 blocks is a powerful expression of identity and a symbol of the struggle against adversity. Number 9. Modern-day application. Despite its roots in history, 52 blocks remains highly relevant today. It is practiced by self-defense enthusiasts, martial artists, and even professional fighters who appreciate its effectiveness and adaptability. The style's techniques have been showcased in various combat sports, demonstrating its utility in both competitive and self-defense scenarios. Number 10. Learning and community. The community around 52 blocks is vibrant and supportive, offering workshops, online tutorials, and seminars for those interested in learning. Engaging with this community can provide motivational support, deepen one's understanding of the art, and even open doors to new opportunities in martial arts and self-defense training. Why learn 52 blocks? Engaging in the practice of 52 blocks transcends typical self-defense training. It provides an invaluable connection to a vibrant cultural heritage and offers a powerful means of personal empowerment through both physical and mental discipline. This martial art, deeply rooted in the African American community, not only equips practitioners with robust self-defense tactics, but also immerses them in a tradition rich with history and resilience. Whether your objectives include enhancing your self-defense skills, connecting with a unique cultural legacy, or simply partaking in an intensive, physically rewarding activity, 52 Blocks delivers on all fronts. If you found this exploration into 52 Blocks enlightening and are keen to delve further into this captivating martial art, remember to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell for more insightful content. Stay safe, empower yourself, and continue your journey through the fascinating realm of martial arts and self-defense.